are in the Butler's Pantry back off of the dining room. This room is really meant to act as a functioning kitchen when people are in dining. And if entertaining is happening outside, people can also go in and out this side porch area here, grab drinks, grab snacks, and it's a really great service bar. So we have a functioning sink, lots of storage, trash can hidden behind cabinet doors here, as well as beverage refrigerator, liquor cabinet, as well as tons of space for additional storage for all of the barware. Some really great design features of this particular cabinetry is in the crown molding. Not only is it a multi-tier crown molding, but it's got a great dental piece, which is those linear lines that you see repeated across the molding. That gives it a really custom feel. Also, by changing depth of the cabinetry panels, you can see that it really highlights the craftsmanship of our carpenters to be able to create that beautiful elegance, which is repeated throughout this entire house.